This is the Seven of Cups. I have to say this one was quite a hard one to draw because I don't really know what's going on here, but there's lots of bright colours. There's sort of like a central bird with, is this wings or is there another figure, and this is emerging out of something, and then there's something on the left-hand side. The original depiction is quite unusual as well. So there's 7 cups in a cloud. A man sort of dressed in black looking at them. They might represent forces or the imagination or layers of heaven maybe. And in each one there's different things like a head, a tower, a laurel wreath, a dragon, a snake, and treasure. Apparently the card is normally associated with the idea of wishful thinking, but I don't actually see it as that. It's almost like someone's trying to pick the right chalice as to exactly what wisdom is, what represents wisdom, or even who wisdom is, or who could give you wisdom, or what even is wisdom. It's probably easier if I just look at the closer aspects here. So within that left side, it does look a little bit like a butterfly, and I can see different eyes and shapes like within that wing. And just looking up a bit higher up, I can definitely see a face at the back of like another creature. The idea these are like thoughts trying to become form, whether that's like in a dreamlike space. So I can kind of see a figure here that's also a bird emerging from like a yellow lit doorway. To the right of them is like a really beautiful bird that's blue, but it's got like gold all around it. And then to the left of that is this sort of blue figure with a bird in his body. He looks male. And then there's a figure above him, which is very slim. And then there's birds behind them. So there's just lots of potential and lots of figures. I can see like a dragon head here with like flames all around it. So there was a dragon in the original depiction, so that makes sense. Kind of get the idea it's a bit like the collective unconscious or even the personal unconscious, trying to make sense of your own symbolism. There's what looks a bit like a snake coming around here, so that was in one of those cups before. And to the left of that, this looks a bit like the head of a crocodile. So I guess what it means is that wisdom would be being able to work with and understand these forces, creating things from that. But at the moment, it looks a bit like a splurgy mess. Technical term. Thanks for listening, and please like and subscribe. That's the last one for today.